So let's continue our debate. You were explaining me how youngsters or children's earning money from the mobile apps.
They are sponsoring their channels, their business in the social media, in the phone, by the help of phone, and they are earning money.
And what about the hackers? You know now?
Yeah,
There are many hackers.
yeah,
Like one was in our Chas who has hacked 5 lakhs from someone Paytms.
yeah.
And so it is safe to invest money from the mobile or
It's
to earn
safe.
money.
It's safe, and the person who give the OTP, who give the personal detail to anyone, they will hack. They can't hack at randomly.
Is it right?
Yeah,
Because
it's
there are
right.
many personal hackers. We can
Yeah.
hacks without OTP. You know, only they
Without
want-
your personal detail, anyone can't hack your phone. Anyone can't hack your personal identity.
What about the games like MPL and Ludo?
In the MPL game, you first allow. Okay, they also ask the some document term and condition, and you click the term and condition, then you will play.
We are putting firstly I know about I will tell what I know about that. Firstly I put some money in that game
Yeah,
and I will win.
Yeah.
I will get it double
yeah,
and then I will addicted towards it and I will randomly puts my money and I will get it double.
yeah,
And when I put a large amount, I will lose.
yeah.
How does it will cheat?
It's not cheat.
Yeah, it is cheat.
It's not cheat.
It's a plan of companies.
Listen, it's not cheat.
How can you say that?
It depend on you. You are using the fake apps. You are using the fake identity fake identity apps. That's why you are addicted.
No.
You use at randomly.
Suggest some apps.
Like if you saying the cards game, then Teen Patti Star. There are, and also there are lots of apps.
All the youngsters which are playing or putting their money in that what do you say 3 stars,
Yeah,
they are addicted towards this, you know.
they use at randomly. That's why.
No, they
I
are addicted.
also play in the Teen Patti, but I am not addicted
Why you are taking yourself in all the cases?
because I am also a human.
How can I believe on you that you are saying true? How can I believe?
How can I say that? How can I believe with you? You are bad.
Means I can't understand your point.
How can you prove you are good or bad?
I don't need to prove anyone,
That's why I also.
but
don't
you are
prove.
proving. You are saying.
I'm saying because I'm good.
How can you say you are good?
I'm not using at randomly
And how can I believe you?
because in now time I don't have any phone, and in the home I also don't have phone.
Then how you put the money in the game?
By the help of my friend's phone, my the cousin's phone.
Okay, then leave it.
Okay, 1 minute. You were saying about three parties. Leave it all. You know Free Fire game.
Yeah.
You first you start playing, and then after you top up on it, and after that you can go to YouTube and earn from there also. You can create your channel and you can start uploading videos.
Okay, I believe on you, on both of you, that mobile is good. We can earn money from the mobile.
Yeah.
Mobile also give education to the children.
Yeah.
What about the radiations
Yeah.
which are produced
due to
by the structurers and deep structurers of the mobile?
Not only mobile produces
Radiation.
radiation.
How can you say that?
I can prove it.
How can you prove
how
that?
the radiation go in the air? By which? The tower?
Wavelength. Oh, sorry, wave. By the waves.
And only for mobile. Only from mobile it comes.
Yeah, mostly it come from mobile.
Mostly. Why are you saying mostly? I am saying only from mobile it comes.
No.
Then also it comes from many way.
How? Please give me
From
some
laptops,
examples.
you can see the officers which is working in their house. They are using laptop, not mobile. Why? And they are also that is also a way of passing the radiation.
But the most radiations which are produced in our surroundings are released from mobiles. And you know
And-
about the killings or deadings or suiciding of birds. They are not suiciding. They are killing by the. They are deading by the waves, by the radiations. You understanding my point?
Yes, it is done by you, like your people only who are misusing of phones.
That's why I'm saying against of mobile. I want to explain. I want to make
You
other
are
people
saying- listen,
understanding.
listen my point.
Wait. I am making the other people understanding. Please left use of mobile, or if you want to use, please use it less because it is not good.
टॉपिक किसका क्या था?
Mind your language. And listen. Also, mobile phone owners and also app owners also say, don't use the app at randomly. Otherwise, you will addicted.
They will say
Yeah.
because it's their work
Yeah.
to warn others.
Yeah.
But we listen it.
It's your problem. That's why you are not listening.
Why
That's why you are
it's
addicted.
your problem? I am representing the whole world, you know, and you can't say that
Listen,
it's the
I am also representing the whole world. Your means whole world. Okay, not only for you.
You are saying
Yeah.
it's all world people.
Yeah.
It's their fault
Yeah.
that they don't listen it.
Yeah.
It's fault.
Yeah.
How can you say?
Because by the help of phone, if you go to another another place, then if you भूला जाना क्या बोल सकते हैं? If you forget the current location, if you forget the where you want to go, that location, then you can open the Google map. Then you open another map and you can get the current location. You can
Yeah.
get the proper location.
I'll get a proper location.
Yeah.
But with the using of mobile for 2 or 3 seconds,
Yeah.
many birds were killing.
How? Don't use they don't die by the help. They don't die for using phone. They are dying because the radiation come if we call to another one.
How? No,
If we-
it's
if
wrong.
we-
It's
listen,
wrong.
listen, I am
by
saying-
using mobile.
Listen, I am
It's
saying.
create a disturbance
First,
in
give
the
me the
wave.
chance to complete my
Yeah.
sentence. Okay.
Yeah.
I am saying they are calling to another one. That's why the birds are dying, and also they are randomly using the phone. That's why.
No, you are not right. If
How?
you have a mobile,
Yeah.
and if you don't use mobile, if you have a mobile, then also if you put on the table mobile, if you don't use, otherwise even then radiation come out from mobile.
Because
Okay.
it's connected from the towers.
Yes.
You know.
Excuse me, ma'am, I want to interrupt your point. My point is that only due to this, not birds are dying. There are lots of pollution are increasing in
I
the
know,
home.
I know,
But we are
but this
not-
is the one reason. Okay.
This is not only one reason,
I know that this is not only one reason, but this is a reason.
but you can't forget the advantage of phone.
But
The if we compare to anyone, they both the whole world they both have advantage and disadvantage. Similarly, phone has also advantage and disadvantage. But comparing to disadvantage, phone has also lots of advantage. Like if you go anywhere and anywhere and you don't have phone, then you can use the online payment method. Then you can also buy something. If you go to anywhere and you forget the location, then you can use the Google map. If you don't have any, if you have any talent and you don't have too much money, then you can also create short videos and upload in Insta, Facebook, YouTube. Then you can also earn
You
money.
I
know,
know.
without
Yeah.
doing this all, we can also live in our planning.
Without money, you can't survive.
Then how the early humans
Yeah.
survive in the earth? How?
Sorry, Krish, I am to ask you. In the corona time, when there is a lockdown, so the 3rd class, 4th class students are having online classes. Have they another choice?
But no, they haven't have any other choice.
Now also.
But is they were doing online classes?
Yes.
How can you say that?
No one can
Ask
say
from
that.
their parents first. Ask from their parents
Oh,
what they
one
said.
minute, 1 minute. I have to not ask with any parents.
Why?
Why I will ask? The teachers are taking online classes. They are doing their responsibility. So
What are you saying? We are saying about the
My-
mobiles, yeah.
my question is, if there is a online classes and you don't do it, so it's your fault. But if you have another choice,
Yeah, I can play game with my phone.
In the classes time,
Yeah,
you are not.
we are playing. Okay,
not we are playing.
we are playing.
Not
I'm
we
not
are
talking
playing.
about you. You can ask from anyone.
If you are saying we, then I also included in we.
So okay, except you and some other people,
Yeah.
all students play games while doing online classes.
It's the student's problem. It's the student problem. They don't have any mindset. The guardian don't guide this type of children. That's why they are using.
You are saying.
And what about the suiciding of students from the buildings or coming in front of cars?